Alright boys, today we're gonna be attempting this FMX line, so let's go, attempt number 1. I'm not gonna lie, this is low-key hard, it's gonna take a couple tries, so let's pull that one, come on. Okay. Fuck. Alright, there's gonna be many more of those. Come on, come on, come on. Oh! No way. Bruh. Damn, that's a nice, come on, I feel it, that's the one. Let's go, nah, bro. Alright, boys, I feel it, this is it, come on. Let me lock in. Boom. Okay. Alright. Come on, come on. Easy on that one, yes sir. Come on, that elbow, I want it. Yes sir, Miller. Easy here, come on, easy. Okay, yes sir, okay, come on, nothing crazy, yes. Alright, third gear, all the way, come on. Make it, please. Okay, butter. Sketch, but we got it, okay. Come on, come on. Second to last jump. Fuck yeah, boys, we got it.